You've bought the little potty. You've got the sticker charts ready. You've even picked out the big kid underwear with their favorite characters on them. And for the first hour, it's going great. Then it happens. A puddle on the rug, a scream when you suggest the bathroom, or worse, the holding it in until they're in literal pain. You stand there exhausted, thinking, every other kid in the playgroup is trained. Why is mine struggling? Am I failing them? Are they just being stubborn? I want to stop you right there, because what feels like a behavioral battle is actually something much deeper. It isn't about defiance, it's not a character flaw, and it's definitely not your fault. It's a mix of neurobiology, physical development, and timing. Once you understand the code of your child's body, the bathroom wars start to fade. Before we break this down, I want to ask you, where are you in this process? Are you just starting to ditch the diapers, or are you already on the other side? Drop a comment below and share your experience. Your win or even your fail might be exactly what another parent needs to hear today. And if you want parenting to feel less confusing and more predictable, like this video and subscribe. It helps more parents find this community. Alrighty, let's break this down. Let's dive deep into what's actually happening in your child's world. But first, the most important part. When should this even begin? 1. The readiness checklist. Most toddlers show readiness signs somewhere between 22 and 36 months, but some are ready earlier and others closer to 4. There's a wide normal range. No two kids are the same. Before you toss the diapers, look for these signs. The 2-hour gap. Can they stay dry for at least 2 hours? The hiding spot. Do they go to a corner or behind the couch when they need to go? Body awareness. Do they tell you or show you when they're peeing or pooping in their diaper? Vocabulary and communication. Can they say simple words like pee, poop, or potty? Independence. Can they pull their pants up and down by themselves? Interest. Are they curious about the bathroom or watching you or siblings? And don't forget the most important question. Are you ready? If you're in the middle of moving, a new job, a new baby, or any big life change, wait. Give yourself at least a 1-month calm buffer. You both need patience and a peaceful environment. 2. Anatomy and the why, the science of stress. Here's something every parent should know. Your child's brain and bladder are still wiring together. The nerves that control holding and releasing are still myelinating. That's why some toddlers literally can't hold it yet, no matter how hard they try. When kids feel pressured or scared, their pelvic floor muscles tighten up. This can turn a simple biological process into constipation, withholding, or even UTIs. One scary or painful poop can start a cycle where they hold it in, making everything harder. That's why forcing it before they're ready often backfires. Let it happen naturally and with kindness. Progress, not perfection. 3. Setting the stage, the gear. Create a yes space in the bathroom that encourages independence, a sturdy step stool so they can reach the sink and feel like a big kid, a potty seat insert or standalone little potty, towels, soap, and wipes at their level. 4. The 3-level game plan. Skip the all-or-nothing weekend boot camp. Build confidence gradually instead. Level 1. The home base, the underwear phase. Pick a low-stress weekend. Switch to thick training pants or go straight to underwear at home. Use simple, respectful language. Food gives your body energy, and the leftovers become poop that needs a home in the potty. Check in gently every 30 minutes, but respect their no. Accidents will happen, sometimes dozens of them. Stay neutral. Looks like your pants got wet. Let's put the rest of the pee in the potty and grab dry clothes. No shame, no power struggles. Level 2, the social phase, short outings. Once they're about 80% successful at home, try short 15 to 20-minute outings. Many parents keep a portable car potty in the trunk. It removes the panic of public restrooms. Level 3, the night shift, the final frontier. Nighttime dryness is biological, driven by the hormone ADH that reduces urine at night. You can't really train it. Keep nighttime pull-ups on until your child wakes up dry for at least 30 mornings in a row. This protects their confidence and your sanity. A few extra things that help. Regression is normal. New siblings, starting preschool, travel, or illness can set things back. Just go back a step and offer extra grace. Constipation and withholding. Watch for hard poops or avoidance. More fiber, water, and movement help. If they're holding for days or in pain, talk to your pediatrician. Boys often train a bit later than girls, and many prefer sitting down at first. Red flags: ongoing pain, blood and stool, strong regression after being mostly trained, or no progress by age 4. It's okay and smart to check with your doctor. To wrap up, potty training isn't just about the bathroom. It's about your child discovering they're capable, independent little humans. Celebrate the wins, no matter how small. Breathe through the accidents, and remember, no one goes to college in diapers. It isn't a character flaw, it's a biological milestone, and once you understand that, you stop fighting it and start guiding it with confidence. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one potty training win or fail you've had recently? Or what's been the hardest part? Poop, outings, or nights? Share it in the comments so we can all learn from each other. I read every single one. If this helped you feel a little more confident, like the video and subscribe for more insights like this. You've got this, parent.